guys again. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is going to be my vanity. Now my vanity, I had to measure before buying this because I'm working with a really small corner here. I couldn't really take up a lot of space because this is not only my room. I don't have like this huge makeup collection. I just needed something to hold my stuff. This is where I store my brushes. I got this, I believe it was at TJ Maxx, and I liked it because it kept all my brushes like facing outwards or upwards, and also it like swivels. I organized my brushes from face brushes all the way down to like the smaller eye brushes, so that it's easier for me to be able to tell which side I want to choose from. These are my watches that I keep in these boxes, and then here I just keep some fragrances that I use the most. This is like my staple perfume in my collection. No lie, for probably like 6 years. This is my favorite one. It's almost all gone, which I'm crying about. I have like this little ring holder thing here that I got probably like at Ross, maybe TJ Maxx, and I just put some rings there that I use frequently. And then over here I got my little beauty blender holder. I got it on Amazon, and just easier for me to like grab it really quickly. This is my tripod that I use for recording my videos, and I just kind of have it tucked back here. Sometimes my son wants to play with this, so I have to make sure he doesn't, so he doesn't tear it up. In here I have what I have lip liners. A lot of them are MAC because I've worked there for so long. I have this sunscreen for the face, or like when I go to the beach or something like that. That's basically all that's in there. And then in this drawer over here I just keep miscellaneous stuff. Like this is, what is this? This is Ben Nye glitter glue, eyelash glue, some kabuki brushes, right? Yeah, bronzer brushes that I could use. What else? Oh, this OPI nail file thing, scissors, this thing which is the bomb.com, especially for like if you need sunscreen or something like that and you're out and you already have your makeup on. Because it's powder, you can literally put this over your face without disrupting your makeup. These are all eye products like concealers, mascaras. I have eyeliners. What else? Literally anything that would go in the on the eyes is in here. There's so many things. I don't really have it organized because I know when I'm reaching for something, I just like find it. Then in this middle drawer here, I have my Equal Tools blender, some wipes, eyelash curler. Then in this drawer in here, I have eyeshadow primers and some loose shadows. Shadows that don't really have any other place to go. On my little chair, I usually sit on here to do my makeup. I just have my iPad and I have my laptop and just make sure my son doesn't like play with them. This thing right here, I got it at, where did I get this? TJ Maxx. I didn't have any more space for anything else in this part of my vanity, and so I went and added this so that I could put foundations and stuff like that. So up here, I have my foundation, tinted moisturizer, primers, lotions, and then over here I have blushes, and I have a couple of bronzers in here too, highlights. And then down in the second shelf I have all my Fix Pluses. Like this one is, what's this one? This is the Fix Plus matte for like oilier skin. Then I have this one, which is, this one's a coconut one. Then I have this one, which is charged water for like drier skin that you can use. I have lashes over here too that I keep in this area. As we get lower down here, I have my powders. These are all my face powders, like NYX, Bobbi Brown, Laura Mercier, MAC. I got the new Huda Beauty one, the RCMA, Ben Nye banana powder. Yeah, Makeup Forever. So these are all my setting powders. And then down here, I have my palettes. So these are the ones that I showed you guys in my hauls that I just got. I also have my MAC palettes though. Like this is my MAC eyeshadow palette or blush and face palette. Then I have my eyeshadow palettes that I use. This is another palette that's not filled yet. And then this is like one of my favorite palettes because this is like the neutral palette that has all the colors that I use, especially for like my bride makeup. So this is the table that I use to film. I usually sit in my chair right here, and I like this little table. I got it at TJ Maxx because it has like this thing here where you can like charge or use this for like the camera if it's dying, or my phone, or the lights. Like this light right here helps me to be able to see my makeup a little bit better. I got this light on Amazon, and so Basically it has like this little light thing here in the back, and I just turn that on and you plug it in. You can plug it in here and it comes with an adapter that you can plug in the wall. It has like the LED bulbs. You touch this little button right here and you see how it kind of shines it up, and it's really, really good. What I've been doing is that I've been putting this over here in front of this window. I close the curtains and you guys just see the curtains or the window depending on what time of the day it is, and that's basically it. But I want to change it a little bit just because I feel like aesthetically it's not so pleasing. Then over here, this is where I keep all of my jewelry. This is like my little diffuser, which I always have it burning with lavender oil because I suffer from migraines, and this helps a lot. And then in here I have like just miscellaneous glitters and pigments that I've never used that maybe I can do some looks with, so I just kind of keep them there. I have my little calendar thing here that I always use. I always write in here like appointments, special things that I gotta do. In here I just keep a lot of my jewelry and stuff that I have. I don't have it organized any special way. The only thing that I have in here that you guys probably want to see are my lipsticks. I have to keep them in this drawer because literally this is the only place that they fit. And I have an extra one here because when I used to have my own room before I was married, I used to have like all my lipsticks like literally like set out everywhere. I have MAC, but I also have some Jeffree Star ones. I have L'Oreal ones. This bag here is just a bag where I keep all my face powders. Yeah, oh, see this? These are all loose pigments that I have from MAC that I've never used, that I probably should try and use. But in here, I have all my powders. This is the Jeffree Star King Tut highlighter. And then I was looking for this and I forgot that I had put it in here. This is the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette. So I haven't really used it, but I was looking for this the other day. These are the lights that I bought on Amazon for filming. They basically just come with these umbrellas here, and then I'll take the umbrella and kind of slide them into the light here, and it'll give you a nice diffused light so that you can film and the light won't be too harsh. So that's basically my room vanity how I film tour. I hope it gave you guys some ideas whether you're filming YouTube videos or trying to find out how to maximize the space in a small room. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.